DS diving. You're at Olympia, A11 at Ortega Landing. I'm going to do a quick after cleaning video. I got a little bit of the water line on the front left to do, but she's cleaned up pretty good. And I'm going to go ahead and do my best to get the best video of the condition of these sinks that I can. But they all look pretty good, and then I'm going to take a shaft measurement. But let's go take a look. She cleaned up pretty good, and there's only one, it looks like an R3 that needs to be replaced or tightened down, but we'll get that taken care of either now or the next trip. See what I got on me. DS diving, Olympia, thank you very much.